welcome back to our YouTube channel, or welcome if you're new. Today we're going to be drawing the pigeon from the Pigeon book series, but we're going to draw him happy. First, you draw a circle for his head, then two triangles for his beak wide open, then draw a half circle and color it in. Then a teardrop shape for his body. Then a line for his neck. Then two chicken legs. Then two teardrops for his wings. Look how excited he looks. He looks like he's gonna cheer someone on. Don't forget to erase any unwanted parts. Now it's coloring time. I picked a yellow for his beak, a dark blue for his body, and a white for his neck. And that's it, guys. We drew the pigeon from the Pigeon books, but happy! Okay, guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with all your friends and family. Thanks. Bye.